Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that's Praveen Nair. So I'm sure all of you guys love to eat food and eating food healthy but still guilt-free, okay?
Yeah, that makes a difference, guys. So we got all those recipes which are completely guilt-free, high in nutrition, of course, high in fat, because we focus on keto and that's a great source of energy for your brain, for your heart, as well as for your overall energy system. So we've got something special to do for you guys.
Let's check it out. 250 grams prawns, 1 cup shredded coconut, 10 grams butter, 10 grams cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, 7 to 8 pieces of whole garlic chopped, Himalayan pink salt, and a cheese shredder. First we put 10 grams of butter. To the melted butter, I'm going to add 250 grams of prawns, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic finely chopped. I'm going to add some freshly ground pepper to it. I'm going to toss the same for next 5 minutes till the prawns become slightly golden and have the tender and juicy taste of the butter and garlic. So you can see that the prawns are getting done slowly and steadily. You can try and flip that over. And you're going to keep tossing it till it becomes slightly golden. Keep it on a slow flame so they have a very buttery and garlic taste. Keeping on slow flame will help your prawns to get cooked much more better. Now I'm going to add pink Himalayan salt. So once the prawns become slightly golden, that means they are well done. It's a really quick and easy recipe and not time consuming at all. To this I'm going to now add 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, sesame seeds give a very nice and crunchy flavor. And now last, 1 cup of shredded coconut. Now lastly, I'm going to add half lime to it so that it gives you a very little but sour taste. And lastly, I'm going to grate some cheddar cheese on this. There you go. Alright, they're ready to be served. The same with some arugula leaves. So our delicious keto coconut prawns are ready.
Yeah, I love this because it's very good in fats, good amount of fat it has. Apart from that, it's good in protein. And the most important for me is that You can prepare this salad kind of stuff, put some prawns in it. It makes a good fiber, protein, fat-based meal, and very easy to cook. So it makes it really, really special, and at the same time, very short in time when it comes to preparation of it.
So I'm sure all you guys love our videos. Please share our videos with your friends and family, and let this page and our playlist grow bigger and bigger so that you get more information on tons and tons of videos coming for you. We do videos on food, information and training. That means you have everything on the same platform to be really healthy and fit.
There you guys, roll it on. Cheers.